So today I'm going to show you a demo chatbot what we built for e-commerce store named Good. So this is a demo website where let's see what we can do with a basic chatbot. We have a lots more opportunity to make it more powerful with some others integration into the chatbot. So let's see a basic feature of them, and the most useful feature of this is talk to agent. So in this feature we can automate the customer conversation into a web flow or into a conversation flow. So how did it work? So we take the customer queries from your agent or from your business, then we make a knowledge base with them or create a knowledge base with them, then we integrate this with a chatbot. So in this chatbot, what we have put it on the knowledge base that you have experience or your agent have experience with more than 5 to 9 or 10 or any uh, age of experience. We can convert them into a knowledge base, and then the chatbot will be that powerful who can answer all of your question or all of your queries at one place and with a no bound of scaling. So I'm just introducing you the basic features of the shop now button or shop now feature is going to give you the opportunity or flexibility to browse the categories of your shop and check out the product what you have depending on the customer needs. So the chatbot will automatically answer or detect any need of your product, and they can automatically recommend you that product based on your query. So order and purchase is work for something checking order status and canceling order or modifying your order. Then হচ্ছে return and exchange. So return and exchange is something like if you want to return something to after getting the order because of any damage issue or any warranty issue, so then the return and exchange features will be useful for your customer. Then the talk to agent, this is basically for all of your customer that are visiting your website or visiting your social media. So one more thing that we can integrate this total web chat to your social media. So if someone comes through your social media inbox, then this chatbot will also work for them on your messenger, WhatsApp, or any kind of social media where you are promoting or serving your business. So let's go to an example of talk to agent. So suppose I want to know something, do any of your product have added sugar? So it's going to search that into their knowledge base and retrieve the information that they have or retrieve the information that we built on the knowledge base and feedback us the answer what we can get from the knowledge base. So any kind of question that your customer can ask, we will collect them, make them a knowledge base and add them to this web chat, and they can be so much powerful using that knowledge base and answering all of the question depending on the customer intention or queries. So for example, as we can see, we have a FAQ and the chatbot correctly answered the FAQ based on our questions. So suppose we're going to answer asking them where is your headquarter. So this is going to give me the address of the headquarter, and this way we can automate any kind of question or any kind of queries that your customer have. So imagine how powerful this is. You don't need 30-40 customer agent to just answer all of your question during your scaling period. So it can do scale in a lot period or in a larger scale. So you have no bound of your business where you can get stack for employee to customer give support to your customer. So in this way, suppose I am also asking for what's your Gmail, what's your email. So it's going to give us the customer support email. So in this way we can automate lots of things and integrate lots of feature according to this chatbot. So if you want to discover how it can help your business or how it can give you a good benefit by using this AI chatbot, let's book a consultation with us, and we will show you according to your business and how it can help you depending on your and we will also provide you a demo so that you can test in your way and tell us about what we can more add feature or which feature are useful for you. So till then, have a good day and tata.